Hey everybody, last week I posted this video asking you, the subscribers, what you would like to see built here on Think Woodworks. Jigs, fixtures, tools, that sort of thing, and I got a great response. I got well over 100 ideas, and I said in the video I would post 5 to 10 of those ideas. I'm going to build more of them. There's just too many good ideas not to. So, today we're going to start with I can't pronounce it, it's Souimet30. He says, I loved the foot-powered scroll saw, but I don't have an exercise bike wheel. I was wondering if it would be possible to use the power drill to make this kind of scroll saw run. Yes, it works great. If you haven't seen the foot-powered scroll saw I built, I'll post the link in the video or in the description below, so you can see that. And then the last couple days I've been working on this. This is a scroll saw that uses a drill as a motor. And it is working wonderful. It works every bit as good as my other little scroll saw that I got at a garage sale, and better. I'm very happy with this build. So here's a little video of me building it, fast forward, and some music so you won't get bored, and then we'll come back and talk about it a little bit more. Well, this thing is working great. You know, I designed this thing to use coping saw blades. This is a coping saw blade in here. They're easier to find and they're a lot cheaper than scroll saw blades. But the nice thing about it is you can also use a scroll saw blade in it if you want to. You can simply adjust the tensioner here in the back and that brings these together, and you can put a coping saw blade in it. You know, I designed it with a tilt bed. It's got two clamping systems. One here that basically releases a clamp I have on the Tunyon, and you can adjust this up to 45 degrees. I added a second clamp on the front, not that you need it, but I like redundancy and I like to make sure my bed's not going to move. You know, another nice thing about this is you could use a cordless drill with this, and then you have a battery powered scroll saw. It doesn't take an exorbitant amount of power to make this work, and a cordless drill would work great. I've got plans coming for this. I have to box this up and ship it to the guy who's doing plans for me, and hopefully I'll have those in a couple of weeks. I'll do a follow-up video when those plans are available, and I'll also post a link in the description box below for the plans when they become available. And it won't be too long. I gotta say, this thing has outperformed my wildest expectations. I was really, really happy with the way this thing works, and I'm going to be playing around with it some more, and I'm going to add a dust remover to it, so it'll actually have a little cool little dust remover to blow the dust off, and maybe play around with some other ideas. But anyway, guys, hey, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. I'm having lots of fun with this and lots of great ideas from the viewers, and thank you very much, and we'll be sure to get a lot of those built. So I hope everybody has a great weekend, and we'll talk to you soon.